Live4Die4 Bowhunting is brought to you by Conquest Scents, the makers of Evercom, Rutting Buck, and VS1. Luminoc, I mean light 'em up. Wise Eye Data Cams, conserve every detail. All pictures and video in full HD. Game Hide, one brand every season. The makers of Limitic clothing. High Sea Boots, warm, dry, and affordable with a lifetime warranty. Camlockbox.com, safe, secure, durable. Protect those trail cameras. Don't let this guy steal your camera. You're about to see some of the best turkey hunting footage we have ever produced. The footage is so up close and detailed and really displays the pecking order and dominance of the birds. I had 2 gobblers respond to an owl hoot, so I got set up on them about 60 yards away. When they hit the ground, I heard a hen with them, so I knew they were going to be henned up for a little bit and would have to wait them out. But they kept answering my calls, so I knew eventually, hopefully, they would come in. And when they did come in, they came in between the decoys and the blind and were literally feet from the window. When toms come into a quality decoy spread, you must be patient. Let the decoys do their job. You can see which tom is in charge. His spurs are longer, his beard is a little longer, but he's constantly moving the other bird out of his way, showing his dominance. He is not happy that this hen will not submit to him. Yes, I was aiming at his head, but at the last second he turned to his left, causing me to miss. But luckily, I got enough penetration into his vitals. He only went 10 yards.